Hello everyone, welcome you all for the 47th session of Marketing Management. In today's session, we are going to discuss about distinction between marketing of products and marketing of services. Before going to discuss about today's topic, I would like to give a brief idea about what we have discussed in the previous session. Dear students, in the previous session, we have discussed about meaning of services and its characteristics. Services are the identifiable and essentially intangible activities that are produced and consumed simultaneously and provide satisfaction to customers or users. And intangibility, inseparability, perishability, heterogeneity, non-ownership, pricing difficulty are some of the important characteristics of services. And the learning objective of this session is to learn about the distinction between marketing of products and services. And the expected outcome of this session is the students are able to understand the differences between marketing of products and marketing of services. Now, without any further delay, let us discuss about the differences. Services are different from physical products in many ways, and we can use different bases to differentiate services from products. Number one, meaning. Product marketing refers to the process in which the marketing activities are aligned to promote and sell a specific product for a particular segment. Here, product marketing refers to activities undertaken by marketer in order to promote and sell his product to his target customers. And in case of services, service marketing implies the marketing of economic activities offered by the business to its clients for adequate consideration. Okay. For services marketing, marketer sells his activities, performance or benefit to customer for an adequate consideration. Next, marketing mix. Product marketing mix deals with 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place and promotion. And in case of service marketing mix, we have to deal with 7 P's apart from 4 P's: people, process and physical evidence. Next difference we can make on the basis of what marketer sells to customers. In the case of product, marketer sells value. Value means benefits a customer gets from a product in comparison to cost. And in the case of services, marketer sells relationship, not just value. Because in the case of service, production and consumption of service happens at the same time, so that it requires active participation of service provider as well as customers. Next difference is who comes to whom. In the case of products comes to customers because products are concrete and tangible things. They are produced at a factory and can be stored at a place and can be delivered to customer place. But in the case of services, customers comes to service due to the intangible and perishable nature of service. Next difference is transfer. Product can be owned and resold to another party due to its tangibility. But services is neither owned nor transferred to another party due to its intangibility and perishability. And next difference is returnability. Products can be returned if the customers don't like it. But services cannot be returned after they are rendered because of its perishability and intangibility. For example, if a patient takes a medical treatment from a doctor and if he don't like it, he cannot return the treatment he got from doctor. And then the next difference is separability. Product and the company producing the product are separable due to its tangible nature. But services cannot be separated from its provider because services are produced and consumed at the same time, and it requires active participation of provider while delivering the service to the customers. Next difference we can make is on the basis of customization. Dear students, product cannot be customized as per requirements. Product manufacturers do not ask what are the likes and dislikes, preferences, needs and wants of each customers before producing the product, because products are standardized. But services can be customized as per customer's taste and preferences. For example, in case of hotel services, a customer can order the food he wants or the water he likes to drink, like hot water, cold water, normal water, so that services can be customized as per customers' requirements. Next, on the basis of tangibility. Products are tangible, so customers can see and touch it before coming to the buying decision. For example, if you want to purchase a laptop, you can see and touch it, and you can also operate the laptop to see the features before buying it. But services are intangible, so customers cannot see and touch it before making the buying decision. For example, medical treatment. A patient cannot experience the medical service before getting the treatment. Next difference is on the basis of imagery. We can, in case of product, we can visualize a product and its looks and features before buying it, so that manufacturer receive quick response from customers about whether the product meet the expectation of customers or not. But services are non-imagery. We cannot visualize how a service looks and what is the experience we are going to get from service due to its intangibility, so that service provider do not receive quick response from customers. Next, on the basis of quality comparison. Quality of a product can be easily measured because products are tangible things and standardized. But quality of service is not measurable, and quality of service varies each time while performing services. Next, on the basis of form. Products are objects or things. For example, a computer, a mobile phone, a pen, a notebook, etc. But services are efforts, activities or performances, like insurance services, musical nights, hotel services, medical services, repair services, etc. Next, we can make difference on the basis of sequence of activities. Sequence of activities of product start with production, then product go for sale, then product available for consumption. But service starts with sale. Next, production and consumption happens simultaneously. Next, on the basis of core value. Product's core value is produced in a factory because most of the products are mainly manufactured at a factory. But services core value is produced in a buyer-seller interaction, because for producing a service, both service provider and consumers' participation is very much important. And next, on the basis of channels of distribution, products require physical distribution. Manufacturers generally uses the services of various middlemen like retailers, wholesalers, commission agents, etc. But services do not require physical distribution, because for performing a service provider requires active participation of customer. Next, standardization. Products can be standardized. Okay, same quality of products can be produced or manufactured, but services can hardly be can hardly be standardized. The quality of service always varies. Next, inventory. Products can be stored for later sale or use due to its tangible nature, but services cannot be stored for later sale or use due to its perishability and intangibility. These are some of the important differences between marketing of product or services and services. By this, we come to the end of this session. I hope you liked this session. Thank you for your patience listening.